Good morning, students. Goal setting lesson. It's prepared and presented by K. Kavita, staff of Divya Metric Higher Secondary School. Chris Srikanth, he was born in 2nd December 1959, and also he was a famous captain in cricket team, Indian cricket team. After that, in the selection committee, he is the chairman of that selection committee. The Srikanth is played like domestic crickets for Tamil Nadu, and also South Zone also he had to play. After one day international cricket match with England in Ahmedabad in 1981, after this over, and next 2 days later he played with England at Mumbai in the age of 21, and he was a famous cricket player. He get more winnings in the life of cricket team. After that his opening batting, through his batting style more innings he had to get through the partner of Sunil Gavaskar. His batting style is very attractive to others. Like in the future, any role model person, they have to take her batting style, and also they have to aggressively they give the winnings to her cricket team and also our India. After that, integral member of Indian skew, he won the 1983 Presidential World Cup. In 1985, Benson Hedge World Championship of Cricket, and 1983 World Cup financial against the West Indies. The Srikanth is a top scorer for India. She is very top scorer for India against to West Indies. I think you know he is a very well known popular cricket player. He made the captain for Indian team in 1989 under the captaincy Sachin Tendulkar. After that only Sachin Tendulkar has come in that time. In 1899, that time the Sachin Tendulkar has come. He was the captain of the team in 1990 against the Pakistan. They managed to draw the test series. More cricket matches they have to draw given in this series. After that, selectors disappoints. The batting is failures. They drop him and leave it. He returned to 2 years later. Again they have to come and play in the cricket team. Play another year. In the time also drop against. After he retired in the international cricket in 1993. This year only he retired from international cricket team in 1993, and he was the first Indian player also. Okay, children, now we see the glossary. The crossroad, it means what and all the achievement you have to, for example, you have to choose the career after finishing 10th standard, whether you chose biology or any groups like this, you have to select the very important decision. It's considered as a crossroad. It's a noun. This word is considered as a noun. Next, take up is a phrasal word. It's mean give interest to that think. What and all you like. Next, innermost. Innermost, it means you go deeply through the interest or goal, anything you have to deeply move. And next, deep rooted. It's also like that. Your behavior and also your thought is considered move so deeply in your aim or goal or achievement. What and all you have to think. It should be move very easily to the and also success in your achievement. The deep rooted is like a adjective types. This word is considered as adjective, and also innermost is also adjective. innermost and deep rooted is mostly same. Next, subconscious. Subconscious is also word adjective, and subconscious is mean if you know conscious. Conscious you have to consciously you have to attend that class, or you have to do the action without feelings or any actions, like physically present mentally absent. That subconscious mind you have to remind it. Next, deteriorated or is be you have to go like a failure stage. Next, form. This form is not a uh, application form. It's like just that they have to start to play the sports player or in the team with the current standing in this in living time. We have to play with others, and also group form like a captain team. The captain is a make a team like that. As a captain we have to make a team. It's considered as a form. You have to form the line like that. So the form is like gathered, and also keep on it means continuously you have to doing something. And come back, if you go something and do it, after that you return again, it's considered as a comeback. As written by a well-known person, after you have to enter, again you have to live it, and also again you have to enter. It's next to chatting. You know all of them. Chatting, it means giving the information to your friends and also getting the information to your friends. It is a chatting. Consciousness, already we see the subconsciousness meaning. Subconscious is meaning is the physically absent, the mental is physically present, mental is absent. If the conscious, it means you have to consciously do your work with attention. And next, influences. You have to attract, or with you have to like a role model to take other person. You have to like her character. Through that character you have to develop yourself. That is considered as a influence. And also peer group. Peer group is means same age person they consider as a peer groups. And the passion. Passion, it means a strong desire, a strong will. It's considered as a strong desire. But and all you think you have to strongly have to do that work only. It's considered as a passion. Ultimate means you have to do best thing and also most extreme things in your life. It's considered as a ultimately. This ultimately is a what and all things you like you have to do with your best. It's considered as a ultimately. Ultimately is the word is given adverb. Next, children, the chatting is a verb, and the consciousness is a adjective, influence is a noun, pure is a noun, and also passion is a noun, ultimately is a adverb. This word and all used through this sentence pattern form. Okay children, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe.